Welcome to Pennsylvania Bike Rides. Today's ride is on the Connector Trail between the Union Canal Trail and Blue Marsh Lake. At the end of this ride, you'll see an old barn, the water release at Stilling Basin, and a view of the dam and the lake from the Visitor Center overlook. It starts at Reber's Bridge Road. There is parking on the other side of this bridge, but be warned, the bridge is narrow, there's no pedestrian or bike lane, and gets quite a bit of traffic. Cross Reber's Bridge Road and begin riding on the dirt towpath beside the creek. In less than a mile, it turns right and goes uphill to the Swiftwater Road trailhead and parking area. From Swiftwater, it rambles across fields towards Blue Marsh Lake. When you reach a paved road, you're at the Stilling Basin Connector Trailhead and Stone Lot. From here you can go left to Stilling Basin or straight ahead to the Visitor Center. We'll do both. Follow the paved road past the white barn on the left and then turn left into the lower parking area. You can get a good view of the water release from here. At the upper parking lot, you can find the Blue Marsh hiking trail, which runs 29 miles around the lake. Most of this trail is best suited for mountain bikes. Back at the Stilling Basin Stone Lot, you can also head straight uphill to the Visitor Center. The gravel road becomes single-track dirt as it approaches the Visitor Center parking lot. You can pick up a trail here that runs to the swimming beach and counterclockwise around the lake. Go straight to the Visitor Center, where you'll find information, restrooms, and a beautiful view of the lake. If you like this video, why not subscribe?